I wanted to share with you some information about Britannica Media Resources because Learn360 is gone. The district no longer subscribes to it. I had a social studies teacher ask me about Learn360 and is there a way to get what he had saved, and there isn't. So we're looking for new resources, and I have found quite a few for U.S. history specifically. That's what I've been looking for in Britannica School High, which is a database type of encyclopedia that the district subscribes to. So you can create an account in Britannica and you can save your favorites. You can also curate a group of common resources into a resource pack, and I can show you how to do that. And then you can create lesson plans for your students or to share with other educators, but it doesn't have to be that complicated. You can also just download the videos to your own storage if you prefer to do that. I'll kind of show you how to do both. Britannica has designed a few different ways to search for media depending on what your needs are. So you can go here and do a media browse and go into a topic and browse from here. Okay. Here's World War I, for example. And this gives us both images and videos. I can change it to just videos if I want to, and then I can see exactly what videos are available. There are 87 for World War I, or if I want to, I can do a general search right here for World War I, and it will show me all the results. I can search by images or videos and narrow down my results. But notice now I only have 16, where the other way I had 87. So you do get a different experience. So I'm going to go back to browse. High school. Media browse. History. Modern world. World War I. There we go. Okay, so these are all videos from World War I. If I go into this very first video, clicking on it, you can see that I get all of these options. I get other videos offered here to the right. These options include favoriting videos, but I have to log in to do that, and I will show you that. I can also download right here, which is what I talked about earlier. I also can get a link to put into a PowerPoint if I want to do it that way. Let me show you how to log in. I've already created an account, and you can do the same thing. There is my account now. I'm logged in, and I can, when I favorite an item, I can find that item right here in my content. If, for example, I wanted to create a lesson plan or a resource pack where I'm curating, it's like a folder almost, with videos or images from the same topic or articles from the same topic, I could create a resource pack. We would call that curating our resources. Okay, so you can do that inside here. Once you have a resource pack, then you can take that resource pack and make those resources into a lesson. But let's just say all I care about is downloading this so that I can have it on my own flash drive or my own hard drive. I'm also able to do that and save any video or image right there. So that is kind of the gist of Britannica School High. You can create an account, you can save items, you can also download them for your own use so that if in case we lose our subscription to Britannica School High, you will still have those resources that you have saved for yourself. Anyway, it's up to you. As always, come find me if you need any help. Bye.